Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to schedule a shutdown in Windows 10 so you can automatically turn off your PC at a specific time without doing it manually. Step 1. Click on the search bar in Windows 10, type Task Scheduler and open it. This tool is built into Windows and helps you automate tasks like shutdown at a scheduled time. Step 2. Once Task Scheduler opens, go to the right side of the window under the Actions panel and click on Create Basic Task. This option helps you quickly set up a simple automated task. Step 3. Enter Auto Shutdown as the task name and add a description if you want. Then click Next. Naming the task properly helps you recognize it later if you need to edit or delete it. Step 4. Choose when you want the task to start, such as one time, daily, weekly, or monthly. Then click Next. This step lets you control how often your computer will shut down automatically. Step 5. Select the specific date and time when you want your PC to shut down, then click Next. Setting the correct time is important, so your system turns off exactly when you want it to. Step 6. Make sure Start a Program is selected on the screen, then click Next. This tells Windows that the task will run a command instead of opening an app. Step 7. In the Program or Script field, type Shutdown. This command is used by Windows to safely turn off your computer. Step 8. In the Add Arguments field, type /s/f/t_0. These arguments force close-running apps and shut down the PC immediately at the scheduled time. Step 9. Review your settings and click Finish. Once completed, Windows 10 will automatically shut down your computer at the date and time you selected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.